Hey everyone, if your Docsify site is not loading, like the page stays blank, keeps spinning, or doesn't open at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix Docsify not loading issues in 2026. First, check if your local server is running. Docsify will not load if the server has not been started properly using the correct command. Next, make sure you are opening the correct localhost URL. I mean, sometimes users open the wrong port, which causes the page to appear blank. Check your internet connection as well. Unstable or slow, internet can sometimes interfere with loading the site properly. Try clearing your browser cache. I mean, old cached files can block new updates from showing correctly. Restart the Docsify server. Sometimes the server gets stuck and needs a fresh restart to load the content again. Make sure your file structure is correct. I mean, you need proper markdown files like README for Docsify to display content, and finally, reinstall Docsify CLI if nothing works. Corrupted installation files can also cause loading problems. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix Docsify not loading issues. Follow each step carefully and your site should load properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions.